Hey guys, if you've wondered why I haven't posted in a while, well, this is the reason. So this has kind of been all my focus since about last August or so, and it's been a lot of work. It's finally kind of in good enough shape to at least let people see it, so I thought I'd do a quick video on it. There won't be any more FXR content, at least with the previous FXR I had, because I did sell that bike. Went to a good home, got what I wanted for it, buyer's happy. Also sold my Road Glide because, to be honest, I just didn't really like it that much. This has kind of been my focus for people not interested in cars and only interested in motorcycles. I did get another toy, and it is this 2024 Lowrider ST in Tobacco Fade. I've put a comfortable seat on it, not the greatest looking seat, but it's nice as far as comfort goes. And I just got this bike. I've had it about a month, and I like it a lot so far, but you know, more to come on that. So there'll probably be some bike content featuring this one. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more of the Torino. It is a 1969 Ford Torino GT. It is a 428 Cobra Jet car, and it is a factory Ram Air car. For those of you that are into Fords, I did get a Marty report, and this is a one-of-one car as built. So it's pretty special. It's the car I've wanted since I was about 12 years old. I finally got one, and I've been doing a lot of work to it. It didn't look much like this when I bought it. It was a disaster, and now it's quite a bit better. So anybody wants to see a Torino video, let me know. Runs good. We could take a drive. I can go over everything that's been done to it and what needed to be done and what's still remaining, all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for checking it out.